A pleasant day to everyone. I just want to share this dream also I have from the Lord. Actually, the Lord Jesus is so kind and is so merciful because he's the one saving my life over and over and over. And actually, I have lots of dreams about Jesus, and I saw already in his second coming when he touched the earth together with his saints. He already gave me that dream. He showed me. So I'm just gonna share this very brief dream that he gave me. I mean, it's been even before, but he gave me this one already, so I already saw what happened. So this is what the Lord Jesus is wearing in my dream when he was with the saints. I don't know what's the red cloth is called in English. So this is exactly what I saw. So in my dream, the Lord were like from the clouds, and he was going down to the land with the saints, together with him, with the saints. I really see them. I mean, I see he's coming when he come this way. This were like after the this is like the rapture is already um done, and this is like his second coming. He touched the ground with the saints with him to defeat all the devils and evils, all the devils dark sides. So in my dream, he was from the clouds. He go to the mountain, then he go down to the land, and I was like on the top of the very high bridge. I was on the top of the very high bridge. Then the Lord Jesus go to the land where I can see him, and he go towards my direction of the land, and but he kind of put me I mean, the scene is he put me in the bridge so I can see them coming down from the clouds. In my dream, the Lord Jesus came from the clouds, going to the direction where I am at. I am on the I am on the land, but I was like on the very high bridge, and I didn't see nobody with me, just me. And the Lord only want me to see what is gonna happen after this his coming for defeating the devils with the saints together with him. These are exactly what I saw. They were riding horses, and the Lord really is so good. He's my strength, actually. He's my everything. And he showed me that he defeated, the devils and like that, and the victory of the Lord. Of course, the Lord will gonna win because he is the Lord. And the people and the devils doesn't, I mean, does did not realize that. Of course, this is the creator. But yeah, I saw this one in my dream, and the Lord already gave this dream way back years ago. He already gave me, and I just want to share because I already saw how he come from the clouds wearing this with the saints. They are riding horses, white horses, and you know, they are marching for victory. For my Lord, glory to my Lord. I love him so much.